Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can trade on Bitget app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bitget app on your phone. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of trade at the bottom. Make sure you're signed in as well. Now we simply are currently in the convert section. We're going to go to this option of spot and we got the trading section. Now we will be able to choose from buy and sell. If you want to simply sell, we're going to go to the limit or make sure your market is selected to the limit order. You added a sale price. You're going to add your quantity. Once you are done with that, you're going to choose the percentage by dragging this down, right? And you're going to add the TPL or SL if you want, like you're going to take profit and stop loss if you would like to add. Once you've added that, you can tap on sell BGB or whatever the coin that you're going to be using. By tapping on this, you can change it, and you're going to tap on sale and it will be available in the market, and you will be able to check out your spot amount as well. That is for you for the selling purpose. Now for the buying, it's the same. You have to check on your order type, you have to add your buy price, you have to add your quantity, you have to select the percentage, you have to add in the take profit and stop loss if you want. Otherwise you're going to uncheck it as well, and you can tap on this buy set here by the USD. You can change it accordingly. Once you have got it, you're gonna be able to limit it available, and you can check out the spot on your right side as well. That is the basic for the spot trading for you. So that's basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.